it up, but I don't know every head. Nothing in you, baby. You know that scenario where you know a song, you only know the rhyme, but you don't know the lyrics. Like you just know how the song goes, and you enjoy it, you sing it, but so yeah, sing the lyrics and go. Okay, you'll be miming. Ta 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 tam pam 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 pa ta tam ta tam pam pa ta ta tam ta 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 tam pam pam ta 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 tam pam. Da. Anyway guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to today's video, and of course to my kitchen. You guys, I want to make soup, and I decided to cook the soup this night. You guys, it's night and I'm actually using a ring light because I noticed my one light in this kitchen. I don't even know why they put one light in this whole kitchen, you know, and the watt is small. So usually when I'm cooking in the night, you know, the light is usually not enough, except I add ring lights like this. That is when the picture quality of the video is gonna be this bright, this beautiful, this transparent, and of course all right you guys, so today I want to make a soup, and I asked my people, I asked Elizabeth, my husband, what kind of soup should we cook, and they're like, we should cook bitter leaf soup. The last time we cooked bitter leaf soup, you know, everybody enjoyed the bitter leaf soup and all of that. So they're like, oh, please cook that bitter leaf soup you cooked the last time. See, we're Africans, so we cannot do away with soups. So there should always be soup inside the fridge. So my ingredients and everything is prepared. I prepared everything, okay, and here it is. So you guys, in here I have my cow head. In here I have cow head, and of course goat leg, and then in here I have cow meat, beef, and then in here I have my turkey, and I have my sea fish. This one is not the regular catfish they sell in the market. This one is sea fish, and then of course I have some stockfish to make my soup very delicious. And then in here I have my goat meat, and then in here also I have my crayfish. And since I told you guys I'm going to be making bitter leaf soup, this is my bitter leaf, well washed and of course ready. And then in here I have my ede. All right, so I've already put in everything like into this bowl, literally put in my oil, and then stir it. So that is ready. So you guys, let me show you all of them. So this is all of the things I'm going to be using for my soup, my bitter leaf soup. See, the reason why we actually bought this protein little is because the last time I prepared the bitter leaf soup, and then we actually put this protein little like this, you know, and we literally put almost all of the protein. This is cow head, this is beef, this is turkey, this is goat meat, and of course stockfish and sea fish. We actually put everything like this. The soup was the soup was delicious. Delicious was the name of the soup, okay? So that's why we said let's try it again. Let's do it. That's why I said let's try it again. Let me do it one more time, since everybody in the house wants bitter leaf soup. So let me do it again and again. Of course, this is my onion, and you guys, As in Nigeria, African person, if you don't put plenty pepper for soup, it never sweet. The pepper has to catch. The pepper has to catch, okay, so that the soup can be yumptious and sumptuous, okay. Our soup preparation today is not going to take time. I'm literally going to be pouring all of my protein into just put everything into this pot. So I'm putting this protein according to the thickness, you know, the solidness or the firmness or whatever. I don't know what it is, but you know, I'm putting stockfish because I know that stockfish. I'm putting stockfish under because I know that stockfish used to take small time before the thing will dissolve, you know. And then of course cow head under also, so that the thing will, no matter how the thing is strong reach, the thing will just first done. You understand that kind of thing? And then the goat meat, this goat meat self, I even put that later because goat meat these days not even strong at all. Before you just boil and small, the thing done. So that's why I'm putting it on top, and then putting the turkey last. Yeah, so I now put the fish on top of it because you know the fish, you know, give me one. A small pepper. So guys, I'm going to allow my meat steam on fire, and then when it's ready, I'm going to come back to just basically put water, put my ede, I need to put crayfish in my soup now. The meat is as boiled. enough crayfish because I wouldn't want to put too much of maggi. Yeah. My pepper is accurate. I think now I have to add a little water. So that I can add the two main ingredients. Still gonna allow it to cook before I put in the egg. Okay. See what she's showing you. Look at that place. This is what Beverly is making me to go through this night. She carried my lipstick and painted the whole wall. She was painting her own mouth. Look at her mouth. Oh, you okay? You're doing your mouth very well so that they can see you. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. You've gone to wash it. Look at this place. Oh. That's my lipstick.
What did you do like this on the wall?
What did I do to deserve this?
You don't know this is a white wall?
What did I... Get out of that place. Get out of that place. I'm going to spank you. Now, I'll spank you now.
See what is happening?
I'm cleaning it and you're rubbing it back. I'm going to spank you. Don't do that again.
Don't do that again, okay? Be a good girl.
Be smiling.
Ah, no. Anyways, good night, everyone. If you did this in my own time, you could have.
So she wasted all my lipstick.
You could have
Like
created a lot
lipstick
of
is
it.
almost like it is gone, like finished. Baby, come here. Don't do that again, okay? It's not good. You're wasting mommy's something, and I bought it with money, okay? Don't do that. When you want to write, you ask me to give you your marker, okay? Or your pencil, and then you write on your book or you write on your board, okay? When you want to write, you would ask me to give you your board so that you write on your board, okay? Why is shaking your head? You see that? Don't write on the wall again. Don't use my lipstick. It's not good. Okay?
Madam, you shift from the camera.
What?
Sorry.
You want golden one?
Say
After
sorry.
finishing my lipstick.
Say
Did you
sorry.
Say sorry? I'll blow your nose.
Now you go
I
make
asked her.
Koduma for her.
I asked her, what were you doing? She said, I wanted to do my makeup.
Is it not you that started that?
Oh, I started it that day. And I left her. I had not had to stay. I wonder how she managed to open this place because I put it inside.
But like the lipstick is gone. My MAC lipstick like is literally half empty. I'm just so upset. But what can I do? This one is here being happy.
Where did she keep it?
I've already inside that place. I have to put key inside that place. What is it? What is it, you? What is it? You guys, I just came inside because I wanted to take my bath, and so we can prepare to sleep. Lo and behold, this is what I came to see. Maybe you've kept it in that front row now. No, voila. Nolu is involved, but nothing I can do. Venice, leave my camera alone. Leave. Give up. Okay? Thank you.